Hey there everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a really cool thing I just learned today that I want to share with the world, and that is how to take text from an image and then bring it into a OneNote with a couple clicks of a button. So first off, Apni kemmon achen, that is how are you in Bangla. I'm learning Bengali and my tutor usually sends me things in text format, but today she sent it to me as this image. And I just didn't think that it was going to be enough space for me to write with, so I thought, how can I get the text out of this image? At first I thought I would go to Copilot. Then I thought maybe I should right-click first. That's one of the first things I always do in a Microsoft 365 product, and the reason for that is Microsoft, for whatever reason, often thinks through what people may need right there in that right-click function, and sure enough, check that out. Copy from picture. I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to place the text right there. Look at that. It just copied all of that text directly from the image. Then all I needed to do was come and insert some tables. Put one here. Put one there. And then I was able to do my lesson pretty easily. So there you go. Super easy thing to do. And I can imagine some use cases for this would be taking an image from a PDF, taking website text, and just placing it in here, extracting that, and making it accessible for yourself and other people. That's my OneNote trick. It's my Microsoft trick of the day, and literally I just learned this, and again, because I just chose right-click, and you'll often be surprised how cool that can be. Also, by the way, the text is searchable. I can search this text. Like, look, if I go Control F and I type in crow, it's searching for the text in the image anyway, because I've enabled OneNote to do that. Microsoft is making accessibility features just part of their product, and that's one reason I like them. I know I get called a shill for them all the time, but there you go, people. I really love it. Anyway, if you have some tips or ideas, share them with me. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments. Otherwise, I do hope that you have a wonderful day.